Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Mike, and in this video I'm going to be showing you some basic yo-yo stuff. Today I'm going to show you how to take a string off of a yo-yo. Now you might be wondering, why in the world would I take a string off of my yo-yo? That's how I yo-yo with it, right? Well, there can be various reasons. One, maybe the string breaks up here and you need to replace the string, so you have to get this piece off of here so you can put your new one on. If you get knots, like horrible knots around the axle, if you have a yo-yo that unscrews, you could take it off that way. But if you don't, and if you're just wanting to quickly take the string off your yo-yo for whatever reason, maybe you want to move that string to a different yo-yo you've got, maybe the string's broke or getting really dirty and looks like it's going to break soon, and you just want to take it off and replace it before you have to worry about that, all you have to do is take the yo-yo, take the string that's coming out of the gap of the yo-yo and pinch it 1 or 2 inches above the yo-yo. And then you're going to spin the yo-yo. If you're looking at it from the top down, you're going to be spinning it counterclockwise. The string is twisted in a way where if you spin it counterclockwise, it'll start to unravel. As you can see right here, it's starting to split. If you continue spinning it counterclockwise, that split gets bigger and bigger until you can finally pull that off of the yo-yo. And at that point, you've taken the string off your yo-yo and you're free to swap out whatever string you want. And if you want to see how to put it back on, do it in reverse. If this were a new string to put it on my yo-yo, all I would do is pinch the string about a couple of inches above the end of the string, and I would twist it counterclockwise until it's no longer twisted. It's a little hard to get it to focus on it, but as you can see, I can split it up at this point. It's no longer twisted around itself, making it hard for me to split it. Once I can split it, I put my index finger and my middle finger and my ring finger into that gap, and I spread that out. Once you've got it spread out like that, you're going to take the yo-yo and you're going to put it on the strings right here that's going between your middle finger and your ring finger, and you're going to slide that around the hub of the yo-yo, and at that point you can just kind of slide your hand down the string. That'll let it twist back up on the string pretty nicely, and at that point you're good to go. So that is how you would take a string off and put a string back on a yo-yo. Again, my name is Mike Montgomery. Thank you for watching my tutorial on how to take the string on and off the yo-yo. If you have any questions about yo-yoing in general, go ahead and leave them in the comments. Subscribe so that you don't miss the next one, and let me know if you have any questions.